today we have with us beautiful, gorgeous, talented. Yes, I'm talking about award-winning actress. Right now, उन्हें हर ऑफिस से लेकर घर के डाइनिंग टेबल तक लोग सुची के नाम से जानते हैं. I'm sure you guessed it right. I'm talking about Priya Mani, who's with us right now. Priya, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका. कैसे हैं?
Thank you. मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ. आप कैसे हैं?
बिल्कुल सही. So what's keeping you occupied these days at home? अभी तो सब कुछ खुल गया है वैसे.
यहाँ पे अभी मैं तो बैंगलोर में हूँ एंड अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ हूँ और यहाँ पे आज लॉकडाउन खुला है. सो बट इवन देन यू नो बहुत रेस्ट्रिक्टेड लॉकडाउन खुला है. नॉट एवरीथिंग वंस एंड फॉर ऑल. ऑटोमोबाइल्स ये सब अभी खुला नहीं है. आई थिंक फैक्ट्रीज एंड एवरीथिंग थोड़ा थोड़ा ओपन हो गया है बट हम लोग तो अभी भी वी आर सेफ इनसाइड आवर हाउसेस. सो हम लोग बाहर नहीं जा रहे हैं एंड तो अभी तो फिलहाल यही तो हमें ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है कि मतलब एक साइड में मेरे फादर जो हैं मतलब काम पे बिजी हैं, मदर जो है किचन में बिजी हैं, मैं यहाँ पे रूम में बिजी हूँ. मतलब आई जस्ट कीप वाचिंग अ लॉट ऑफ सीरीज, तो उसमें बिजी हूँ मैं. एंड प्लस आज जैसे जर्नलिस्ट के साथ मैं इंटरव्यूज दे रही हूँ, तो आई एम कीपिंग माय सेल्फ बिजी विद दैट.
Second season तो देख लिया, and even after watching the second season, I'm wondering that what has happened in Lonavala, ये हमें पता नहीं चल पाया है. तो आप हमें बता रही हो या चलम सर से पता करवा लें?
जी, मेरे पास दो आंसर हैं. एक तो या तो जो लोनावला में हो रहा है वो लोनावला में छोड़ दीजिए, या तो आप चेल्लम सर से पूछिए. आपकी मर्जी. आपको अगर चेल्लम सर से पूछना है तो प्लीज पूछिए, शायद उनको पता है. बिकॉज अभी मैं भी देख रही हूँ कि मतलब चेल्लम सर को सब पता है, तो आप एक बार चेल्लम सर से पूछिए तो शायद उनको पता होगा.
सही कहा आपने. वैसे मैं मनोज सर का जब इंटरव्यू कर रही थी ना, तो मैं उनसे पूछने वाली थी चेल्लम सर कब आए कब चले गए, पता ही नहीं चला हमें.
That is the beauty and mystery of चेल्लम सर. पता नहीं चलेगा कि कब आए. I mean, पता नहीं चलेगा कि कब आ रहे हैं, कि कब जा रहे हैं, कि है कि नहीं है. So he's everywhere.
हाँ, वेरी नाइस. वैसे आपने देख लिया सेकंड सीजन जब आया, तभी आपने देख लिए थे सारे एपिसोड, इसके टाइम मिल गया?
Of course. I think जब रिलीज हुआ एक डबल बोनांजा था, क्योंकि उस दिन मेरा बर्थडे भी था, June 4th. एंड तो उसी दिन उन्होंने रिलीज किया. एक्चुअली June 3rd को by about I think 8:39 they just started a trial run. तो उसी दिन they had the episode started airing. but मैंने बहुत अच्छे the nice good girl that I am, मैंने June 4th को ही देख लिया. तो you know double bonanza तो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. I loved season 2 and as a जी
वही मैं पूछने वाली थी कि whatever like audience have expected out of the second season, are you happy with the way it has come out?
Of course. I think the audience is giving fantastic response. अभी भी दे रहे हैं, मतलब 2-3 बार देख रहे हैं and binge watch कर रहे हैं. I've been getting so many messages कि मैं तीसरी बार देख रहा हूँ या देख रही हूँ whatever, and बहुत अच्छा है, आपका कैरेक्टर बहुत अच्छा है. And as usual मनोज सर, you don't have to say anything about him because he is a fabulous actor. तो I'm really happy जो भी responses आ रहे हैं, मतलब it's been phenomenal so far.
वैसे मनोज सर, आकाश श्रीकांत के बारे में आपसे बेटर और कोई नहीं जानता होगा, तो उसके बारे में ढेर सारी बातें मुझे करनी है. बट देन आपके किरदार की अगर मैं बात करती हूँ ना, like Suchi's character has her own ups and downs, highs and lows that she goes through. So between the shoot of first and second season, what all changes did you brought in that character?
See, second season we started shooting much before season 1 started, much before season 1 released. So it was like that for us that हम लोग मतलब we didn't see the gap as such. But हाँ, जब मुझे and actually मुझे तो सुची का ग्राफ उस टाइम पे पता नहीं था कि क्या होने वाला है, मतलब स्टोरी कैसा होने वाला है, मतलब उसका ग्राफ क्या है. तो as we started shoot, मुझे राज सर ने बोला कि मतलब इसमें बहुत इमोशनल यू नो अप्स एंड डाउन होने वाला है, इमोशनल डायलेमा बहुत है और सेंटिमेंट भी बहुत है. बिकॉज सीजन 2 में ऑब्वियसली इट इज आई मीन व्हेन यू कम टू द फैमिली साइड ऑफ इट, अगर आप देखोगे तो धृति हैज बिकम अ टीनेजर. तो टीनेजर का प्रॉब्लम जो है, आई मीन टैंट्रम्स ऑफ अ टीनेजर एंड ऑल दैट, एंड किसी की बात नहीं सुनती है. तो you know it falls on Suchi to keep everything together, because एक साइड में श्रीकांत के साथ जो भी उनका marital problem है, she's trying to save the marriage also. The last resort is मतलब going to a therapist या counselor, whatever you want to, I mean however you want to name. एक counselor के पास जाती है, marriage counselor के पास जाती है, या therapist, whoever I'm saying. उनके पास जाना, मतलब प्रॉब्लम्स एटलीस्ट टू सी इफ वहां से अगर कुछ सॉल्यूशन मिलता है, एंड इफ दैट कैन हेल्प आउट इन द मैरिज एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट। तो जो भी वो कर सकती है उसका मैक्सिमम वो कर रही है, मतलब सीजन 2 में। as I said, as in terms of if there is a marriage, I mean obviously marital problem जो भी चल रहा है उनके बीच, वो सॉल्व करना, धृति का मतलब tantrums सहना। एक साइड में अथर्व का ये है, बट अथर्व इज ओके, ही इज क्यूट एंड ही इज ऑल दैट इज देयर, बट मोर सो इट इज बिटवीन श्रीकांत एंड धृति। तो उनके जो प्रॉब्लम्स है वो ट्राई टू बी देयर फॉर देम एंड सॉल्व इट, एंड उसको छोड़ के शी वांट्स टू जॉइन बैक एट हर स्टार्टअप कंपनी, एंड वहां पे जो भी द थिंग्स दैट शी इज फेसिंग, वेयर निखिल सेज नहीं आप दोनों को सुची और अरविंद को लंदन जाना पड़ेगा एंड ऑल दैट। सो ऑल दैट turmoils is there with her, तो वो कैसे ये सब डील करती है, क्या होता है। तो when he started telling me I said okay, it's quite interesting, it's very nice, and मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा कि the graph of Suchi is just gone up one notch up from season 1।
हालांकि हम नहीं जानते कि अरविंद के साथ लास्ट सीजन में क्या हुआ था, लेकिन स्टिल मैं एक चीज जरूर पूछना चाहूंगी, जब हो गया था कुछ ऐसा या कुछ भी ऐसा माइंड में कुछ कश्मकश चल रही है, तो फिर अरविंद के साथ ही दोबारा नौकरी क्यों करनी थी या क्यों जॉब ज्वाइन करनी थी?
That only Suchi knows। नहीं, but see, one thing is she wanted to join back the company because इतने टाइम के बाद, मतलब season 1 और season 2 के अगर आप टाइम गैप देखोगे, so I guess you can say it is about a year or two maybe, and she is after that she thought of giving up her job, but she devote more time to the children and the house and things like that। But एक टाइम पे उसको ऐसा भी लगा कि सी मेन थिंग बिटवीन हर एंड श्रीकांत इज द कम्युनिकेशन प्रॉब्लम, जो ज्यादा नहीं है, विच इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट इन अ रिलेशनशिप। द कम्युनिकेशन इज व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट। तो वो सेव करना चाहती है, ये सेव करना चाहती है। सो मे बी एक पीस ऑफ माइंड के लिए शी वांट्स टू सॉर्ट ऑफ go out of the house and join work where she wants to just be herself basically at the end of the day। जो भी घर के प्रॉब्लम्स है वो घर में ही रहेगा, बट when she comes to work she wants to just focus on work and she's good at her job, okay, at the end of the day। तो शायद इसके लिए she even told Arvind, no, मैं company she wants to join back and she wants to be part of the startup company as well। so शायद इसकी वजह से, because she wanted to be out of the house, out of the problem, and she just wanted to focus on her work। तो शायद इसकी वजह से she joined back the startup company।
Now coming to Shrikant and Suchi, what do you think, according to Suchi, are the disadvantages of being a wife to Shrikant?
See, according to, I mean, this is my deduction of the character। if I'm wrong, anybody here can correct me। मेरे ख्याल से I think she just wants to be heard। She wants to be whatever she is doing, because इतने साल सुची ने मतलब फैमिली के लिए डिवोट किया है। she's doing anything and everything under the sun to keep the family together, as in terms of with the kids, from season 1 मैं बता रही हूँ। and जब श्रीकांत घर में नहीं है, she is the one who's obviously taking care of the house, she's taking care of the family। शायद she wanted to join the startup company because she wanted to do something for herself, and basically she wanted somebody to talk to listen to her। जो श्रीकांत के side से for her she's not giving him enough time to be a couple, talk to, and जो भी problems है एक दूसरे से share करना, which obviously Shrikant, being in his job, he's not allowed to do, he's not able to do। और ये she wants to have a more a marriage where things are easy, communication, as I said earlier। तो ये I think दो season में अगर आप देखोगे तो उनका जो relation है थोड़ा मतलब it's gone a little distant। so she wants to bring it close, that's why she's going to a counselor or a therapist to save that part। हाँ, तो जो save हो जाए, at least that part of her life she wants to save। she wants to devote more time, be as a family with Shrikant and the kids, जो थोड़ा मतलब बहुत उतना नहीं हो रहा है। So I think that is one of the causes that she finds it's quite difficult to be with Shrikant, because obviously Shrikant busy hai apne job mein, which she still thinks that, you know, he's still in a 9 to 5 job and things like that. But बाद में उसको पता चलता है कि, you know, he wasn't asked and even now he's going there and things like that. But, you know, for her, it's like, मेरे जो husband है, and I did look, and let me put it across in this way, that बहुत सारे ladies जो हैं, they sort of have identified with the ups and downs that Suchi goes through in this entire दोनों series में, जो उनका जो emotional graph है, बहुत सारी ladies, you know, they're still identifying with the character of Suchi as to what she's going through. हाँ. And you know, because unke lives maybe, you know, probably it's the same, that they're not able to communicate properly with, you know, their spouses, and which will probably lead to something like this. So that is what I feel is the thing between Shrikant and Suchi.
Because every time, like kaha bhi jata hai ki behind the success of every man there is a woman who takes care of his house and all the things, and Suchi does beautifully.
Yeah, she wholeheartedly वो कर रही है, but उनको क्या feel हो रहा है कि, you know, probably Shrikant is not a little more, he should be a little more, you know, proactive when it comes to, you know, the family. उनको भी ज़्यादा time देना चाहिए to her and to the kids, जो वो नहीं दे पा रहे, obviously due to his job.
Obviously. अच्छा, एक आदत जो श्रीकांत की बहुत annoy करती है सुची को, and she immediately wants to change it.
उनका झूठ drop of the hat वो झूठ बोल देते हैं, तो वो change करना चाहिए. She doesn't want. See, that's the reason, no? Because see, I do agree that being in this job, it's difficult to, I mean, obviously being a raw agent or जो task में काम कर रहे हैं, I mean, I'm saying this in real life, जो भी हमारे country में जो भी agents हैं, who are so dedicated to protecting our country, and जो अपने families को नहीं बोल सकते कि what job they are in, I think they are the real unsung heroes of our nation, because they have to constantly be on the move, constantly, मतलब अगर field में नहीं है, या they're even behind the monitors also, 24/7 उनको threat analysis, मतलब उनको threat observe करना है, कहाँ से कहाँ आ रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, ये वो, and they can't even communicate that with their own parents or their own family कि मैं ऐसे ऐसे एक job कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ, whatever. So this is what, you know, because हम लोगों ने जब season 1 हम लोग promote कर रहे थे, so we met an actual an ex-agent who served the country, and वो भी बोल रहे थे कि I can you know, totally relate with what your wife, on-screen wife, is going through, because मेरी बीवी भी ऐसी ही थी, मतलब half the time she was the one who was running the family. मैं कुछ बोल भी नहीं सकता था कि मैं ऐसा एक काम कर रहा हूँ, या you know, I couldn't, because that is part of their job, you know, they're not supposed to reveal what they're doing. And अगर उन्होंने very very openly बोला था कि अगर उनको, मतलब if they're on a mission and it's a successful, hey, well and good. अगर नहीं है, they get caught, then it's like, you know, the nation very clearly says, look, you know, we don't know who you are. This was a you know, job that you did on your own. This was a undercover operation that you did on your own. हम लोगों, it's not, you know, connected to us. So he was just saying, you know, my wife, I mean, kudos to my wife to run the family for so long and not make it, you know, so she saw to it that the family was together and it's not apart, even though his job was so tasking and 24/7 he had to be on the field and things like that. So hats off to all these heroes for you know, constantly monitoring the threat to our country.
So since Samantha and you both are working well in the South industry as well, so with the entry of Samantha in the second series, did you anyhow feel like your character will be overshadowed with
Not
Samantha?
at all. No, not at all. उनका जो character है वो completely, it's different. Mine is completely different. I don't feel overshadowed at all. And saying that, I will definitely say that I think Samantha has done a wonderful job, and we couldn't have been more happier. And I think all of us are really thankful to Samantha for saying yes to coming on board and being a part of our family. And she's done a phenomenal job, and all the appreciation is going her way. Well and good. I mean, I'm so happy that she's done well, and I think मैं उनकी जो career है, मैं very closely मैं follow करती हूँ, as in her body of work मैं follow करती आ रही हूँ, and I can very happily say that I think this is one of her best work ever that she's done so far.
Acha, Priya, if I ask, like, you have done so very well, you're well established in South industry, and now you're working in Bollywood too. You have made your niche in Bollywood, in fact, on your own. So, do you think South actors are like well treated, or I should say, they are treated at par with the Bollywood actors initially when they enter?
Definitely, I think abhi jo the scenario hai, I think Bollywood is openly accepting talent from the South. It's not necessarily only the actors. I'm talking even about the technicians from the South. बहुत accepting hai. They've accepted all of us with open arms. So I'm really happy, and ऐसा ही चलना चाहिए. I think because South also equally has phenomenal talent, and be it even on OTT or be it even on movies, I think South has they have a phenomenal talent all over. That is all the 4 states included. So I'm really happy that Bollywood has finally opened arms for the South talent, and ऐसा ही continue करना चाहिए.
I would love to know that what are your personal thoughts on where your and Arvind's relationship is heading actually?
Season 3. Shayad. Never know.
So season 3 is the answer. We are looking forward. So thank you so much, Priya, for talking to us.
Thank you. Nice talking to you. Bye-bye.